In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Prizepicks account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to contact Prizepicks customer support. So I've got their email address here. It's support@prizepicks.com. So basically we want to go ahead and message them via email. So go ahead and open up Gmail, whatever email client you're using. And now where it says to, we want to go ahead and put in support@prizepicks.com. Then from here, scroll down, subject, we want to put in something along reactivate account. And when we're doing this, we want to go ahead and make sure we're using the same email that we want to go ahead and reactivate as well. And now in the body of the message, we want to say something along the lines of this. Hi Prizepicks support team. I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to request assistance with reactivate my Prizepicks account as I'm currently unable to access it. When I attempt to log in, I receive a message that my account has been disabled or restricted. I'd really appreciate it if you could review my account and let me know the reason for the restriction. So just depending what type of problem you have, just basically put that in here. And then below here, we want to go ahead and put in account details. So you want to go ahead and put in your username, your email link to the account, date I created the account if you know, and also just end the message with thanks for your time and support, kind regards, and put in your full name. Then from there, give Prizepicks 24 to 48 hours to return your email, and then they're going to go ahead and help you reactivate your account.